Hello everybody, welcome to Disassembling App.
PlayStation 2! Very badly. This is a warning. If you actually want to disassemble a PS2, it is not a great idea to follow this video. It is mostly accurate, but it is not the greatest. First, make sure you remove the expansion bay cover. We have already done this, but just remember to do it. It's located on the back. It's not that hard to get to. Second, we'll take off the feet or the screw covers. After that, there are 8 screws that you have to take out. Next, flip it over and pull up, pull forwards, and pull up again so the top cover will not get caught on the disk drive. Next, we'll remove the memory card ports. It's only 2 screws and it's not that complicated. When you take out the memory card and controller ports, there's a ribbon cable. You flip up the top of the ribbon cable connector and gently pull out the ribbon cable.
Next, there is one single screw next to that you will have to remove. The fan will not come out because there is a connector cable. We will get to removing that in a little bit.
Unscrew the screw next to the AC jack and lift up the AC jack, but be careful because the cable is tight. Now flip over the PlayStation and the bottom casing should fall off. Now remove the 4 screws holding the power unit on. Then lift up carefully so you don't touch any of the big components, or you may die a very painful death. Next, you can remove the expansion bay shield. As you can see, under the power supply is the cable we mentioned earlier to unplug to remove the fan. After you unplug the cable, you can lift up. Now we remove back input-output shield cover thing. Now flip it back over. There are clips holding in the disk drive on the front and back. Push them in and push up and the disk drive should pull up. Now warning, do not rip out the ribbon cables on the underside of the disk drive. You may permanently damage your PS2 by the ripping of the connectors. Now you can carefully remove the ribbon cables and remember where the cables attach. This is as far as we're going to go for this tutorial.
That is all. Thank you for your time.